Hello, dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Roots of Biology. In this channel, I teach biology for high school students, and also for I revise previous year question paper chapter wise for those who are appearing for the NEET exam. So for them also, I'm revising question paper. Not only that, I used to revise, and I will give a tips, strategies, and also the syllabus, everything. I used to discuss about NEET preparation here. So, but the subject which I'm going to teach here only biology. Okay. So let us continue with the today's session with the NEET biology preparation. So the first chapter, let us see which chapter is next. Okay. Please do watch my videos, like, share, and subscribe. Many of you not in a subscription still. Please do a subscription, then only you can watch my videos. So please do subscription soon. Okay, let us continue with the today's session. That is the first chapter. That is the living world. Okay, here I'm going to revise what are the important questions which appeared in this lesson. I'm going to revise now. Okay, let us continue with the session now. So, okay, let us continue with today's question paper revision for the NEET examination. Here we have our first question, that is question number 1. Lecithin, a small molecular weight organic compound found in living tissue, is an example of this question asked in NEET 2024. So this question, it's very important. So option they given here, option A amino acid, option B phospholipids, option C glycerides, option D carbohydrates. Any guesses, children, which is the correct answer here? So anybody, if you studied properly, definitely it is very important to study your textbooks. Okay, refer some very important textbooks that will be very useful for you. So the answer for this is option 2, that is phospholipid. So which is the option, children? That is option B, phospholipids. So that some lipids have a phosphorus and phospholytic organic compounds in them. Okay, so these are phospholipids. They are considered as a phospholipids. They are found in where it is present. It is present in cell membrane. So better example is lecithin. Lecithin is a better example for this. So but the correct option is B. That is 2. Option 2. Okay. But what about option 3? Option 3 is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because as glycerides are another group of lipids in which both glycerol and fatty acids are present. So why it is not correct in option 1 and 2? So because amino acids and carbohydrates are separate group of biomolecules. Is it clear? Shall we move on to our next question now? Come, let us move on to our next question. Okay, question number 2 is here now. Hint 2 always cuts DNA molecules at particular point called recognition sequence, and it consists of so it is this question is also asked in NEET 2024. So the option for this is option A 8 BP, option B 6 BP, option C 4 BP, option D 10 BP. So what any guesses, children? So which will be the answer for this? Okay, okay. Any guesses? Okay, I should tell the answer now, right? So answer for this question is option B, that is 6 MB, 6 BP. So why this option is correct? So anybody will answer me for this? So the correct answer is option 2, because the first restriction endonuclease into 2 whose function which mainly depend on specific DNA nucleotide sequence was isolated. So it was found that what they discovered, it was found that HIND2 always cut DNA molecules at particular point by recognizing the sequence of 6 base pairs. What is BP? BP is not blood pressure. BP is base pairs. Is it clear? Yeah. So why not other options? You want to go for that also, right? Option 1, 3 and 4 incorrect because they have either more than 6 or less than 6 base pairs. So that is the reason why answer for this is 6 base pairs. Let us move on to our next slide. Here we have another question, children. The capacity to generate a whole plant from any cell of the plant is called what? So this question is also asked in NEET 2024. Options they are given: first option totipotency, B micropropagation, C differentiation, D somatic hybridization. So answer for this question is option A, that is totipotency. What does it mean? So it is defined as the capacity to generate whole plant from any cell of the plant. So that is what we called as totipotency. Is it clear? Shall we move on to our next slide? Okay, we have another two questions here. Given below are two statements. Given two statements, you have to choose. First, understand clearly. Statement 1. Bt toxins or insect group specified and coded by gene CRY IAC. So, statement 2. Bt toxins exist as an inactive protoxin in bee. Uh, beta therinogenesis. However, after ingestion by the insect in the inactive protoxin gets converted into active form due to acidic pH of the insect gut. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. This question is asked in NEET 2024. Options are: option A, both statement 1 and 2 are true. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. So what is the answer for this question then? So answer for this is uh, option C. Statement 1 is true but the statement 2 is false. So solution they given C. The correct answer option C. As a specific beta toxin genes were isolated from where it is isolated? It is isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis. So and later it is incorporated into the several crop plants such as cotton. So choice of genes, it depends upon the crop. Okay, children, and the targeted pest as most Bt toxins are insect group specific. They say the toxin is coded by gene named CRY. Okay, the gene name is CRY. So there are a number of them. For example, I can say the protein encoded by gene CRY IAC and CRY 2AB control the cotton bollworms. That of CRY IAB control the cotton borers. So this is the answer. So is it clear? Let us move on to our next question. We have another question here. Question number 5. The type of conservation in which threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in a special setting where they can be protected and given special care. What is it called? So this question asked in 2024. So the first is in situ conservation. In situ conservation. Second question, biodiversity conservation. Question C, semi-conservative method. Option D, sustainable development. So any guesses, children? Answer for this question. So because I am only giving answer, so if no response from your side means, so it will be one-way communication. So I want it to be two-way communication. So try to answer me. What might be the answer for this question then? Yes, any guesses, children? Yeah. So that is answer for this question is you can see answer for this is B, biodiversity conservation. So we can say the type of conservation with threatened species are now not from their natural habitat and placed in a special setting where they can be protected and given special care. So these are called exotical, which is a type of biodiversity conservation. Is it clear? Shall we move on to our next question? Here is our another question. Which of the following are true about the taxonomic keys? First option, keys are based on the similarities and dissimilarities. Key is analytical in nature. C, keys are based on the contrasting character in pair called couplet. D, same keys can be used for all taxonomic categories. So option C, each statement in the key is called lead. Choose the most appropriate answer from the appropriate answers from the option given below. Option A, C, D and E only. Option B, A, B, C only. Option C, B, C, D only. Option D, A, B, C and E only. So answer for this question is, so which is the answer, children? So please thoroughly read the question, then only you can answer. Simply blindly you can't give answers here. So the keys are the type of taxonomy. They are analytical in nature. Okay, keys are the typical answer for this question is option D. So this way we can say keys are the type of tax. They are taxonomical aid. They are analytical in nature. Different keys are used for different taxonomic categories. Is it clear? Let us move on to our next question. So we have another question. Which of the following against the rule of ICBN? This question is asked in the year Neet 2019. So we have option. First option, generic and specific name should be written in starting with a small letter. Option B, handwritten scientific name should be underlined. Every species should have a generic and specific epithet. Scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized. So answer for this question is option A, generic and specific name should be written starting with a small letter. Is it clear? Let us move on to the next slide. So we have another question. Question number 9. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango, which was first discovered by Carolus Linnaeus. So option A, that is Mangifera indica, Corlin, Mangifera indica, Linn, Lin, Mangifera indica, Mangifera indica. So answer for this question is Mangifera indica, Lin. So this is the answer. Option B is the correct option. Is it clear? So, according to the rules of binomial nomenclature, correctly written scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica Linn. Is it clear? The system of nomenclature was given by Carl Linnaeus. The scientific name of mango, it is given as Mangifera indica Linn. So, the Mangifera indicates the genus, while the indica represents the particular species as a specific epitheta, and Linn indicates the biologist Linnaeus who first described the species mango. Is it clear, children? Let us move on to our next question. We have the last question. The contrasting characters are generally in a pair used for identification of the animal in taxonomic keys are referred to as. This question also asked in Neet 2019. So options are alternate, option B lead, option C couplet, option D doublet. So what will be the answer for this question then? So that is option C, that is couplet. So the keys are based on the set of contrasting characters in a pair. This is known as couplet. Is it clear? So till now I have revised few questions. In my next slide I'm going to give you the syllabus, children. If you need biology, physics, chemistry, so have my WhatsApp link. I'll give in a description box. You can join to my link. There I'll give a detailed about the syllabus part I'll give. So these are the things I revised today. So if you have any doubt you can ask me. So please study well. You have your examination is coming nearby. So please do hard work and study well and score a very good marks. So okay, all the best for your examination. So let us continue our class in our next video. Thanks for watching. Please do watch my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.